Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. It is known for its rich culture, heritage, and traditions. It has a mix of people that belong to different religions, communities who have a different lifestyle and customs that they follow. The traditional wear of women in this state, like any other South Indian states, is sari. They love to wear original handloom saris. There are many famous traditional silk and cotton sari varieties that Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are famous for, with many districts using their own techniques of weaving patterns and styles. Usually, the saris are named after the district they were first created in. Even the fabric used tends to vary geographically, and there are many factors that make each fabric special. Uppada Jamdani Sari is a silk sari style woven in Uppada of East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. The speciality of Jamdani Sari is that it gets design on both the sides, and to make this sari, it takes a week to a fortnight, which consists of cotton body with silk pallu and all completely hand woven. Around 40% of the local weavers here are women. The famous Pochampalli sari is made in Bhudan Pochampalli, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri district in Telangana state. They have traditional geometric patterns in ikat style of dyeing. This type of saris are hand woven using silk and cotton fabric. Pochampalli saris have designs which are traditional and contemporary. Did you know that the Indian government's official airplane company Air India has its cabin crew wear specially designed Pochampalli silk saris? Gadwal saris is made in Jogalamba Gadwal district of Telangana. These saris are famous for their zari border and pallu with body made of cotton. Anandpur district of Andhra Pradesh makes Dharmavaram saris, and these saris are extremely well known for the gold plated borders and artwork imprinted on them. These saris are worn in winter or cold conditions for functions and are also mostly used by dancers of Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. If you are looking for heavy bridal wear saris made of rich golden zari, then this is the type you should go for. The other famous saris of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are mentioned here. You can find some of the loveliest Andhra style of sari draping, starting with the most famous Nivi style, Kappulu style, Gochi Kattu, Mukkala Chira, and the Guda Kattu style of sari draping. Most young women or girls in Andhra Pradesh wear the half sari, and this is a trend that can also be seen across South India. The traditional dress for men is the dhoti or panche with kurta. Traditional clothing is an anchor that ties communities to their ancestry and legacy. Through it, people feel connected to their identity and savor their own culture proudly.